In this tutorial I will show you how to make end screen in Adobe Photoshop. This template is empty, but it contains the sizes of the safe area. For that I will use it. The gray color is the safe area. The image will be in the description. The image size are HD, 1920 by 1080. First select rectangle tool. Then make rectangle has the same size as red rectangle. Press Alt then drag rectangle to make other one. Make a circle and make it the same size as a green circle. Move shapes, and place them as you like, but inside the gray rectangle. Now you know the sizes. We do the design that attributes to you. I did it like that. If you want to know how to move the design, write a comment and subscribe.